Hey guys, we have something pretty exciting for you today. We have this bag. Sorry, it's upside down.
Yeah. And another bag.
Now in this bag, we have something that we got from a family member. It's a drone.
It's a ginormous drone. By the way, we know nothing about this. Our last drone was paired to
A bunch of cables in the
a
box.
bunch of cables and some extra equipment for the GoPro. Here's another camera.
Is that my old one?
Maybe it is.
Looks like the one I got for Christmas.
Okay, then it's probably. Which one would be what? What's that mean? Yeah, position. Oh, okay. So that one does that.
That one does the camera angle. This is not too close,
I think we will be able to, what we just did, we will be able to fly the thing,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure we will be able to maneuver the camera because we don't know how.
Alright, so we have the drone ready.
I think
Yeah. So we're gonna try to see if we can get this thing to lift off. Yeah. There it goes. Try pressing the fly button again. That was definitely not right.
I think we pushed all the props wrong.
Alright, so we're back. We changed all the colors back. Now we can see your underwear.
Is that cool?
Seeing your underwear?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Great. We know that it works now. I got some pretty good footage of that.
Oh, you did?
It looked pretty good. It was in the center a lot.
Yeah.
We got a nice shot of it in front of your head.
Oh!
Like right
My
next to
head
your head.
destroyed you.
No, it looked kind of cool.
Up again?
Yeah. This thing is using a lot of battery.
Oh, okay, I did something. Where? Hold fly to trigger.
Oh, and it's gone. Oh, it's like reversed or something. Maybe it's down.
Oh,
Oh,
look. I'm sorry. Wait, let me check for another battery, okay?
yeah.
I'm not sure I brought this.
Okay, so basically what happened was it was low on power, so it stopped. So we wouldn't like, you know, be in flight and die. and he's changing the battery.
Did it lock on? Oh, you didn't see that. That was pretty close. Are you trying to land?
No, I'm trying to just kind of wrap it around a little bit.
Hover? Okay. It flies amazingly. I'll try and get a really close up. Don't hit that bush, man.
I'm gonna try the landing. Now I'm gonna go to landing sequence.
Okay. That was an amazing landing. Keep pushing down. Keep pushing down.
And it still was at like 40% almost the entire time.
Oh, it didn't drop at all? So maybe the other battery, which was charged up, maybe that was defective?
Ready to take off?
Yeah. Oh. Little toward us, just a little bit. Oh, now I can't see it. You keep watching the thing. Looks. Keep pushing down. That's it.
We did it. I did it. Okay. Yeah, pretty good.
That's awesome.
Make sure to keep your eyes on the drone, but also the battery percentage. And it's out of focus.
That thing is cool.
That was awesome.
That thing is cool.
That was freaking awesome, dude.
And we need to also figure out how to work the camera.
Yeah.
Because we don't know. It might have recorded stuff, but I don't think so. I saw something recorded with the camera and it was flashing red all the time, and this didn't do that. And there's this pause button here. I think that has to do with that.
No, I tried that earlier and it just stops everything. It just kind of like stops the thing.
The drone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, I think that's going to be it for this video.
Yeah.
If you thought that was awesome, like this video and subscribe.
We thought it was awesome.
If you have any opinions or you want to tell us how to do things,
Stupid we are.
put it in the comments.
I'm gonna do like this. Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
That was awesome. And
Signing off. Or
that was awesome.
yeah. Oh, I forgot this thing.